Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Victorinox Side Chef Swiss Army knife. And this is one of the 111mm knives, the larger knives. And this is a single blade knife with one hand opening. Let's look at the back real quick. Alright, so let's see. They have a little picture illustrating how to one-hand open it, which is oh so helpful. So let's see. The Victorinox Swiss Army knife was created, blah blah blah, with an ultra-sharp serrated edge. They enable you to cut open cardboard boxes, box strap, and plastic bags. Basically, any utility task to come your way. Save your cutlery for the food. Okay, so for this one, we get the one-hand opening serrated blade, a key ring, which of course is an asset, tweezers and a toothpick, and a belt clip, or a pocket clip, which is kind of interesting as Swiss Army knives go. That's fairly uncommon. Alright, so I guess the secret now to separate this from the pack is we need another knife to do it. So let's open this thing up and take a look. I'm sure there was a better way for me to do that, but sometimes you just gotta get in there and do it. Alright. So, we got the tweezers and toothpick, which are on so many Swiss Army knives. You got a pocket clip. It's kind of a cool little pocket clip. You obviously can't change its location. What if you can pull it off? Nope, doesn't seem like it comes off. Alright. The thing I was super curious about, though, is the one-hand opening. Alright. So, not too bad. And it's got a liner lock here, which is, again, kind of unusual as Swiss Army knives go. The one-hand opening isn't terrible. I tell you what's weird, though. It feels like the liner lock is backwards somehow. Let me grab. Alright. This is the Spyderco Tenacious. Yeah. It's backwards. Well, it's backwards from a Tenacious anyway. So with the Tenacious, you push towards your left hand and you fold it in, like so. And with this one, you push towards your right hand and fold it in. I don't know. I don't know if that's backwards or not, but it sure feels backwards. Also, it doesn't quite flick open as smoothly as the Spyderco does. This could just be that this one needs to be like loosened up. You need to play with it for a little bit before you can easily flick it open. I'll tell you one thing though that is kind of, the Spydercos, you can adjust it here. You can adjust that little screw and it'll change the tightness of the knife. Alright, let's see. Well, that's one thing for sure. Did y'all see that? It's pretty darn sharp. So, there's that. It's only... Alright, it's sharpened on that side, and this side is smooth. That's interesting. It's kind of an interesting little knife. Let's see real quick. The blade is it's a hair over 3 inches. It's like 3 1/8 inches. The body of the knife is a little bit over 4 1/4, and the whole thing open is 6, maybe 7 1/2 inches. So it's not a tiny knife. It's not a huge knife either. I mean, it's small enough and it's light enough that it's easily a pocket knife, and with the pocket clip, you can clip it to your pocket without a lot of difficulty. It's kind of a neat little knife, and being a one-hand opener, I don't know, kind of interesting. I don't think this one would replace my Spyderco Tenacious, but to be fair to the Spyderco Tenacious, I like this knife a lot. I like the Spyderco Tenacious a lot. It's one of my favorite knives, hands down. But this ran, I want to say, about 20 bucks. I'll include a link in the description if you want to check it out. And anyway, let me know what y'all think. Have y'all tried this knife or any of the other larger format Swiss Army knives? Let me know in the comments. And if you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.